Welcome to the global village. Earth is a crowded place, and it is getting more crowded all the time. As of January 1st, 2002, the world's population was 6,200,000,000. 23 centuries have more than 50 million people. 10 centuries each have more than 100 million people. Numbers this big are hard to understand, but what if we imagined the whole population of the world as a village of just 100 people? In this imaginary village, each person would represent about 62 million people. 100 people would fit nicely into the small village. Perhaps we can find out more about our neighbors in the real world.